There are major colposcopic findings you should know for FCPS, MCPS, MRCOG, and for clinical practice. I will tell you what is mosaic pattern of colposcopic findings. This is the epithelium inside the cervix, and this is abnormal epithelium. Here you can see abnormal epithelium. Inside the epithelium, you can see here blood vessels. This is the abnormal epithelium, and there are red blood vessels inside the epithelium. Red blood vessels. When acetic acid applied surrounding abnormal growth of epithelium becomes white and vessels remain red, then mosaic pattern appears. Here you understand that epithelium is like white bed sheet. On epithelium applied acetic acid, epithelium turned like a white bed sheet, but red flowers on white bed sheet remains same. That give white bed sheet a mosaic pattern. Abnormal epithelium will be look like this. Inside vessels will not uptake acetic acid, but epithelium will uptake and turns white, and this will give mosaic pattern. Abnormal epithelium will uptake acetic acid and turns white, and blood vessels will not uptake acetic acid and remain red. And in this way, this will give the appearance of mosaic. I hope now you clearly understand what mosaic pattern means. These vessels are seen from side, that's why it will give mosaic appearance. These vessels are seen from side. It will give mosaic appearance on colposcopy. Now I will tell you next parameter, punctation. This is again epithelium on cervix. This is abnormal epithelium on cervix. This is abnormal epithelium on cervix. Abnormal epithelium on cervix you can see, and these are small dots, red color. Again a white bed sheet that is like epithelium. A white color of bed sheet is due to acetic acid, and underlying red dots or blood vessels remain red like a pins, hair pins below the bed sheet. This will give the appearance of punctations. The epithelium is perforated by blood vessels. Acetic acid uptake by abnormal epithelium turns white, while blood vessels will not uptake the acetic acid and remain red, and they will perforate like a pin shape. And from in mosaic pattern, blood vessels are seen from the side, and in punctations blood vessels are seen from the top. When we will see blood vessels, then they are looking like a puncta. White red dots appears. Tip of the blood vessels are seen from above. If you place a multiple pins on a below the white blood sheet, they will seen from the above with the tip. Like these blood vessels are seen as a tip of vessels from the abnormal epithelium, seen from the abnormal epithelium. Next is atypical vessels. This is the shape of normal typical vessels, normal caliber vessels. Normally blood vessels branch like a tree in a regular pattern. They will not show any abnormality in their pattern. Normal, fine, regular, normal caliber vessels normally present in the body. This is a tree like appearance of blood vessels with normal caliber vessels. They are normally present. Normal tree like pattern of blood vessels. These are normal typical blood vessels. When these vessels twisted, irregular, become thick, become thin, broken, twisted, thick, thin, broken, irregular in shape, then this vessel will become atypical. This will appear in precancerous or cancerous stage of cervix. These vessels are atypical vessels seen in malignancy or pre-malignant stage. They are seen on colposcopy with green filter. Now, two other terminologies I am going to discuss. One is keratosis and other is acito-white epithelium. Both are white appearance on abnormality of cervix. When abnormal white dense coating seen on cervix before application of acetic acid, then it is called as keratosis. Keratosis, before application of acetic acid we see white dense coating, while when we apply acetic acid an abnormal epithelium turns white. This is called acito-white appearance. Difference is one is seen before application of acetic acid, that is keratosis, and other is seen after application of acetic acid, that is acito-white epithelium. I hope now you people understand clearly these colposcopic parameters clearly. What is mosaic pattern, what is punctation, what is atypical vessels, what is keratosis, what is acetooptic. Again, this is abnormal epithelium inside red blood vessels. When acetic acid applied, surrounding abnormal growth of epithelium become white and vessels remain red. This will give mosaic appearance. And again, this is abnormal epithelium. When acetic acid applied, the blood vessels seen from the tip as punctation and abnormal. Now, atypical vessels are not normal, twisted, irregular, thick, thin, broken. These are seen after applying green filter. Now, keratosis is whitish appearance before application of acetic acid, and acito-white epithelium is after application of acetic acid. Now, let me tell you the sequence of colposcopy when we'll start the doing colposcopy. First of all, we'll see the cervix, and that is if whitish appearance occur, then this is keratosis. It may be benign or malignant, but confirmed on biopsy. Then we'll on the green filter and see atypical vessels. Then we'll apply acetic acid and see other structures like mosaic appearance, punctations, and aceto-white epithelium. This is the sequence of colposcopy. If my video is informative, then like, subscribe, share, and do comments.